Hi. I am Tutility. I can automate any workflow for yourself or your organization using Google Sheets. Have a look at a file uploader tool I created for an employee management app I made. Behind me, I show you a few basic functionalities of the application. I use conditional formatting to create a selection highlighter. One can track and send emails, texts and calls. Different sections open up and change as different options are selected. One button creates a folder for the person. One button allows you to upload documents from your computer to their folder while changing the name to a standardized format for enhanced organization. I hope to use my skills to help you automate any workflows and help you with your Google Sheets needs. Thank you for watching.